Hello, I'm going to show you a few options around changing the appearance of a cell. Now, rather than showing you lots of individual items, I'm going to go through probably 5 or 6 different things in the Home tab that you can very quickly use to change the appearance of a cell or a set of cells. Now, I'm going to highlight over my heading for the first example. Now, in the Home tab, I'm going to talk about this font section here and also alignment just there. So in the font section, we've got bold. Can you see if I just click onto it, it makes the text bold. And all you do with these buttons, click for on, click for off. Italic, we also have underline as well. Now, any button that has a drop down arrow means there'll be more options. So in the case of underline, we can do a single underline or we can do a double underline if we want to. Now, this one here, this is borders. So if I were to drag over here like so, what I can also do there is drop the arrow down and pick the type of border that I want to go for. Now, there will be some separate videos just on borders as well, because that can be a bit of a faffy thing to get right. But can you see it puts a grid on there for me? If I drag again over my headings, painter's pot just here, this is the background colour of the cell. And a really cool thing of this particular part of the formatting option, can you see when you hover over the cell, it actually tells you and shows you what it's going to look like. So I'll go for green in that instance. This one here, this is the font color. So again, look, if you hover over it, it's going to show you what it's going to look like, but this just changes the text within the cell. Going a little bit further up, this is the type of font you want to go for. And again, look, really nifty. If we hover over, it's going to live preview the changes to that font. We have the number here, this is the font size. Bigger the number, bigger the font. Smaller the number, smaller the font. And there's also, can you see the up and down arrow just here? That's a more natural way of doing the font size. Okay. Now for the next bit, I'm going to just make this row a little bit deeper. If I drag over the the headings, I've got 6 buttons here. We've got top, middle, and bottom. We also have left, center, and right. So between these 6 buttons, you can pretty much get the the text wherever you want it to be within those cells. Okay. Couple more bits in here. This is a really good one. This one is called orientation. So if I were to drag over these headings here, pop the arrow down, can you see angle counterclockwise? Can you see it puts the text on an angle? Now it also, if you've got a border and a background colour, it will also angle, can you see the border and the background colour as well? So, I mean, there are more formatting options, but they are just a few related to the font and the alignment. Feel free to have a little bit of an explore of more.